I'm Michael Stier, CEO, Director of SAGA Metals, here at the PDAC conference in Toronto. SAGA Metals is a diversified critical mineral company currently focused on our titanium-vanadium Radar project in eastern Labrador. It's our flagship, essentially because we're right now working towards building our resource estimation over the Trapper Zone. It's the more significantly advanced project. It's always had exceptional infrastructure, and kind of each year has allowed us to gain immense amounts of data at extremely cost-effective avenues, and it's just progressed very nicely, and it's a project that we think can be fast-tracked right through the development phase. So we're going full steam ahead on it. Yeah, some of the exploration highlights for the Radar project is, so we did our early sort of maiden drill program in January through March of 2025. That was kind of our first test of drilling about 2,000 meters in what's called the Hawkeye Zone. And that essentially validated for us that there is a strong correlation between iron, titanium, and vanadium in this intrusive system. We had regional geophysics over the area that was suggestive that it stretched about 20 kilometers, kind of in a horseshoe pattern from the Hawkeye Zone over up to what we've dubbed as the Trapper Zone. Linearly about 6 kilometers away, we were starting to get some very significant magnetic readings in the Trapper Zone, much more extensive than the Hawkeye Zone. Access was way easier. We started to clear off the old forestry road that heads to the west. We built a 4-kilometer access trail over the oxide layering strike in the Trapper Zone. And then when we did that and finished that ground-based geophysics, it just lit up exceptionally in terms of the magnetics, and kind of really gives you that window snapshot below the surface that we knew we could do a full gridded out resource definition drill program, and that's what we're working on to execute at this particular moment in time, along with our metallurgical data, which is extremely important because, as anyone can attest to that's in the junior market space, defining a resource is just one step in terms of the development. You need to prove that it's economic, and that's what we're doing right now.